Hello friends, so welcome back to my channel. I was a little away. I was not posting any videos or shorts meanwhile, so apologies for that. So I will try to post at least 1 or 2 videos in a week or two. So today I have bring this IndusBoard to you. So this is a type of microcontroller, right? So I bought it from electronicsforyou.com, which is a leading platform in India for like different types of peripherals, devices, microcontrollers and other stuff. So let's unbox it, and while we unbox it, let's discuss about the key features of this board. So I got this board in this package. So here you can see the packaging, the contents of it and the MRP. The board actually I bought it for around 2200 or 2300 I think. So right, so let's unbox it. So let me keep the things over here because it is already in use. So here is the coin itself. It came in this small circular box, so you can see. I will explain all those connectors and features it have. Just let me go through the content of the box first. So this is the cable, type C. I will keep it aside. Few pins, LED and the header pins. So I will keep all those things aside. The main party guys are here. So first I will first discuss about the board, right? Then I will come to this what we say FPC board. So I will come to that later, right? So this board, the coin size board, is capable of doing many things. So let's talk about the types of sensor it holds, right? This comes up with the LUX sensor, the 10 plus proximity sensors, right? Capacitive touch sensors with air gesture sensor also, right? There are 2 temperature sensors in it, and yes, an RTC is also built into this. Along with that, there is a magnetometer and accelerometer in it. So it can be used to capture the location as well as it can also, and yes, it also has HID, the one which is responsible to act as like a mouse or keyboard. So it also supports that as well. So it can be used in agriculture. It can be used in automobiles. It can be used somewhere where the timekeeping is necessary, right? So, and it can be also detect the like if there is any motion or any changes in the environment. So it can also detect that using the proximity sensor. So these are the things in the sensor side it's board. Let's come to the connectivity. So it has the Wi-Fi, it has the USB-C, the inbuilt JTAG debugger it has, and yes, the type C OTG. Now I basically mostly work with the 5 volt power, but it has support to 3.3 to 7 volt. So I didn't like bump it up to 7 volt. I never used 7 volt current to operate on this. So talking about the processing power, it got Atensa LX7 processor, which is a 32-bit processor, and like it is almost you can say the efficient RISC architecture. I didn't used in any embedded application scenario, a real world application scenario. I didn't use it. I just use it to create some POCs and some pseudocoding, like just to interact with only 1 or 2 sensors at most. Although it is capable of handling multiple like multiple processing and multiple peripherals in one go. So it comes along with 2 MB of PS RAM and a ROM of about 128 KB, which is inbuilt on it, and it also has got Wi-Fi, as I have already told. It had ESP. It got ESP32 S2 mini, so it supports that. And for the peripheral side, it got like around, I think I didn't count exactly, but I think it got about 30 pins. So 30 pins, flexible IOs, multiple SPIs, I2C, and HID support, which I have already told that it can act as a mouse or keyboard input as well, right? And it also supports the camera. Now the camera, I'm not sure which camera it supports, but on the official documentation it states that it supports OV2640 model, but I think if it supports that, then it can also support OV7670 model as well. And the best part of this is AI capable board. So it supports TinyML, it supports edge impulse as well as TensorFlow Lite. So these are the key features of this board. You need to definitely check it out. Not even if you are not going to make any full-fledged product, but for the R&D or just learning purpose, so you should definitely give it a check. Now coming to this FPC board, right? Although FPC board is a flexible printed circuit board, but it is nowhere flexible, you can see. So but yeah, so talking about it, so it has like these touch keys, so like you can interact it with it, you can connect it with the board, and you can give input to this board using this numeric touch keys starting from 1 to 9, and the last one is 0. This is the touchpad, the arrows which you are looking at, and these are the like the touchpad to give any touch input in it. And this is the motor IC, you can use to mount a motor IC on it, and you can program it. Here you can connect the like the multiple servo motors, right? These are the I2C ports over here. These all are the input and IO pins, and here somewhere it operates on 3.3 volt, the board. So there is, I can see there is 3.3 volt mentioned also as well. Now coming, and also it goes this mic over here, a small, you can see a small mic here, right? So and this is the VBAT for connecting the batteries if you want to power it from external source. So this one is the board, this one is the coin. This video was all about to introduce you with the types of controllers, the microcontrollers being in the market. So Arduino is not the one only leading in the market. There are now coming many other boards with smaller form factor. The only problem is that it needs to be manually set up on the Arduino, and if you do it a wrong way, sometimes it not able to flash, because I do get some issues while flashing the code on it. So for that I will create a separate video, a guide like a to do or a guide or a walkthrough, so that if you came across such issues, then you can watch that video and learn how to actually correctly flash the code on this board. So guys, this was a small walkthrough of this powerful board. So keep supporting me, like the video if you like, if it is informative, like, do share with your friends, and yes, don't forget to subscribe. Peace.